Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the soul type raid tokens and meet the raid prerequisites. Gather the exact number required and prioritize higher rarity tokens because they yield better drops. Once done, open your inventory and sort by type so you don't accidentally use the wrong token. Make sure a full party or matchmaking conditions are met because entry rules often gate rewards. By doing these steps first, you avoid wasted tokens and can choose the best targets for maximum value. You now pick the raid whose mechanics and loot synergy match your soul tokens. Choose affinity matches to increase drop rates and assign party roles. Tank, healer, DPS. Before using tokens, apply temporary buffs and consumables to boost clear speed and survival. Faster clears mean better token efficiency over time. Once ready, consume the token to queue or enter the raid and focus on objectives that unlock bonus chests. This targeted approach raises your expected value per token. After the raid, collect rewards and immediately check for bonus chests and any token refund mechanics. This is where extra value appears. You should then assess the return on investment by comparing drops to token cost and adjust which tokens you use next. If the raid fails or rewards are low, review combat logs and swap to a different token type or change party composition. Retry with a clearer strategy. One key troubleshooting tip: if progression stalls, reduce difficulty or optimize roles before spending more tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.